I'm using our condensed glue gels, it is really thick density, so you can't actually blend it, and don't hesitate to blend it down. It's like, it's just when you blend it out, it's just like a really nice, stay nice and smooth on the nails. It's not gonna give you a lumpy bumpy unless you're using too much, which is that you shouldn't use that much. You're just using it like, but then if you're doing a 3D, then you probably want to do a little bit more and flash key at first. We can do that in session tomorrow. I am going to the no wipe top coat right here, right next to me. I'm gonna show it to you just a second. Top coat floating techniques, using a floating techniques on the top of the unclear condensed glue gels. This is here is amazing top coat right there. And now we start using our number. I have a wax residue on my right now. And again, I'm gonna using my frame. I'm going to frame this part right there. And again, I'm gonna do this part right here. And put my another neons on it. Where my I need just hold on. I'm going to use this. Just the one I using it earlier from our kits. Just adjusting it nicely. And I'm using crystal smaller size AB from one of the slot designs from our anniversary kit. Now you can add beads on it if you would like to. Great. And for this, I'm gonna put some beads on. You can do it without beads. I think it looks beautiful as well. Just might as well. I'm here, so I'm gonna do it for you ladies, so you get an idea if you want to put the beads on or you just don't want the beads on. Great. So if you're happy with this, we're gonna key it for 60 seconds. Dang it. So excited because we're gonna do the next one with this shape, but let me draw it one in the meantime we're waiting for that. And I would like to show you something is really cool and quick. A lot of you were asking, and I have my bender here. I'm gonna bend this one a little bit to make it, because it's flat. Let's give it a bend, and then it's a frame bender. So handy, and it really, yeah, hold on, I'm gonna okay, hold on, I'm gonna give it a little bit, press it, that's it. Oh, it's really nice, nicely bent. There you go. It's come with different colors, I think, and I have the white star and then the white hearts as well. So in the meantime, this. So before we move to the next one, we are going to do some precision glue on for this, so then that way it will double skier stay on nice without catching on the client's hair or the nails, clothes. Okay, so I'm gonna do some exam first. Usually when I do, I don't squeeze nothing on it yet. Make sure you just feel it, and when it feels scratchy, then you squeeze just a little bit in. I'm always repeating it because this is really added on crystal placement successful for you ladies. You will love it and enjoying it, and you can sit back, both you and your clients can really sit back and ensure the crystal will stay on nicely to next 3 weeks. Make sure when you key it properly for the clients for 60 seconds, and then it should stay until next time the clients come back. I'm gonna squeeze right here because some of the bars, the frame, its edges is really high, so I'm gonna make sure it's not gonna scratching anything, like the clients will feel it. So I'm gonna using a twin tip brush and using on the line, and then blend it really nicely. So when after you key it, it's gonna look so nice and flawless. Great. So key it for 60 seconds. And it should